Hello, everybody. This is Daryl Whitman with Destination WVFTV. Thank you for watching. I am here at Caesar's Palace in Las Vegas. Me and my wife decided to take a vacation to Caesar's Palace this year, to Las Vegas this year rather, and stay at Caesar's Palace because we've never stayed here before. We have been here about 13, 14 times, something like that. And this is where we decided to stay. So right now, what I'm going to do is give you a room tour. We are actually, as I said, in Caesar's Palace. We're in the Augustus Tower, the 31st floor, and we have a Studio King Suite. It was an upgrade from what we originally booked because when we got here, our room wasn't ready, which doesn't make me real happy. I don't like sitting around a lot waiting for them to get ready. So we did an upgrade, and this is the room that we were upgraded to, the Studio King Suite. So here we go. All right, guys, let's enter the room. We have a small little corridor when you initially enter the room. Some nice little artwork. You can see the mirror and a table and lamp in front of us. When you take the turn to head toward the room, on the immediate left, you have a rather large closet. So it's a nice sized closet. On your right, you have the bathroom. It's a nice bathroom. You have marble floors, a double vanity, a nice sized jetted tub, very deep. Good sized shower, nice shower. And then you have the water closet. Okay, let me try it again. The water closet. Okay, I can't get it right. I'm trying to use my English accent, but I can't do it like my grandson. So, but I think you get the picture, literally. Okay, nice bathroom. Let's go into the heart of the room. Oh, before we do that, this was, I think, at one time a bar area. Not much really is going on with it right now. You have shelving under there, and this is about it. So, like I said, nothing really going on there right now. On your left, you have desk with mirror and lamp. You also have a coffee maker for those of you who drink coffee. You have actually you have two nightstands, 3 drawers each. We have a king bed. You have a dresser area with storage in these cabinets. We have a 55-inch television. And on the left side, we actually have a refrigerator. And these items here are actually provided by Caesars, and they aren't free. So if you take one of them, be prepared to pay for it. And on the right side, you actually have your drawers. So you have a small drawer here, and then you have 2 larger drawers at the bottom. And a cubby hole for some reason. I don't know why they didn't put a drawer there, but you have a little space to store something else. All right. Moving on, you have a table for two for your dining pleasure. Then you have the lounging area, the lovely Mizzetta. You have two high back chairs. And that's the other nightstand. And again, the bed. Let me show you the view we have in our room is outstanding. So again, we're on the 31st floor, right next to the Bellagio. And so here is our view. We actually have a view of the Bellagio fountains and Las Vegas Boulevard. So at night we can see the fountains do their little dance. It's really kind of nice. We're across from Paris, Planet Hollywood. You can see MGM Grand down the way. So it's a really nice view, and it's really, really nice at night. So this was a great location. Oh, you can also see the Hilton Grand Vacations building. Actually, that's the Alara Hotel. That's a fabulous building too. It's a fabulous, they have fabulous rooms there. We stayed there once before. But anyway, we're at Caesar's Palace this week. And that's pretty much it for this room. Here's another swooping view. And that takes care of it. Hope you enjoyed it. Please like and subscribe if you do. And we'll be talking to you again soon. Goodbye. This is Gerald Whitman. Thank you for watching. Remember to like and subscribe, and we'll see you on the next episode of Destination WVF TV.